Hi everyone, this is Jess. The other day I went to Matsumoto Castle, which is located in Nagano Prefecture, Japan. I rented some armor over in Matsumoto City through Hanakomichi Kimono Rental, and I wore tabi, which are like tabi socks, but they're got rubber on the bottom. I washed these in the washing machine and they're okay to wear on tatami. The staff said to put them on standing up on the tatami here, and it was the first time to be dressed by two people at once, which was really cool. Underneath I wore a type of samue. It looked like samue, which is just like trousers and a kind of kimono top. At Hanakomichi Kimono Rental, they have an armor rental service, so you can go, they will dress you and you can wear your armor outdoors, which I think is really wonderful. Next they put on shin, which are shin protection. I was getting pretty excited by this time. Next is haidate, which is for your upper legs, so they put the haidate on. Yeah, super happy, as you can see. Next is kote. So these are like gauntlets, and I have a little bit of an issue with gauntlets because usually my arms are very long. My own armor at home, I have them extended from the shoulder so that they're nice and long for my arms. The staff were very thorough and very kind to me, and they made sure I was comfortable and we were having fun and talking, and the room was very warm, and they played music as we got dressed, which is really nice. As you can see, they've put both the kote on now, and the next thing that will go on is do. So the do is usually you can, if you're by yourself, you can sit down to put it on, but since I had two people, I stood up so that the camera could get a good view of me putting the door on, and it's me holding sarashi. So I have this white kind of obi, and it's just uwaobi, so it goes over the top of the door. She's just fastening the side of the door there, and I'm twisting the sarashi and I put it around my body like a obi. But what you do is you tuck it up underneath one part of the door that connects to kusozuri, which is that skirt part at the front, and it takes all the weight off your shoulders, so it makes wearing armor a lot easier. And then sode, this set of kachu has sode, which are like shoulder protection. So that's me without the kabuto, and it's a really beautiful set of armor, I think. So I'm having a little pose for the camera, getting more and more excited. Next is kabuto, and that is the helmet, and they got me to sit down. This kabuto is worn by Shohei Ohtani, the famous baseball player. So it's got the same shishi lion in the front, and it's made by Kobo, which is the same company that makes all the armor, and they're based in Kagoshima. So I was done, and I was out on the street walking towards, super happy, walking towards Matsumoto Castle, and there's me crossing the road, kind of like hoping no one's going to freak out, but I did get some smiles and some stares, which was really sweet. I put my wadaji on. As you can see, I have my straw sandals on top of my tabi, and I have uchigatana, so I have my sword, and here's me walking towards the castle, and I thought I would just pretend like I live here, because being a samurai, I say irashai. which means welcome, like as if I live here. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. It was a wonderful day. Coming up in part 2, I'm meeting somebody very special who I think a lot of people will know, so please stay tuned for that.